Those aren't modern. These are from the 1800s. Oh. This building behind me is from the 1820s. It's not new by any stretch of the imagination. It's pretty old. Martin Van Buren used to be there, the president. This building behind me is pretty old too. I don't know what this was for though. Look at her.
The president and I are delighted to have you join this immersive and interactive journey through the White House.
The Residence Act of 1790 placed the nation's permanent capital along the Potomac River. President George Washington and city planner Pierre Charles L'Enfant selected the presidential residence site, which would later become August 24th, 1814. Invading British soldiers marched into Washington, D.C. and set fire to the White House. The interior of the nation's grandest mansion was reduced to smoldering ruin.
The state floor of the White House serves as the prime minister's first in office, then a location for elegant dinners.
This is where all the steak dinners and lunches are given.
Balancing tradition and change, the White House embodies America's.
We were in this room, yeah. The red room.
Any questions I have?
We are walking into the Oval Office. How awesome is this?
Is that calm? Hello, Mr. President.
America. I did not have relations with that woman, Miss Lewinsky.
Such a dork.
America. As Duncan would say, you're welcome. Say thank you, you're welcome. Huge. Huge. I'm not gonna do it.
Hundreds of thousands. Hundreds of thousands.
Hundreds of thousands. Huge. That's fun.
That was neat.
That was her mom. That was the mom.
Oh, there's Michelle.
She's only 7 years younger than me. Oil? Who's sending me about oil? Did you cook it? It's doing it. There.
Now I'm looking.
Yeah, behind lower. I like it, I like it.
We're in the state dining room.
They're like the inside of a diamond.
This is America. Yeah, there's no protest, mama. Benjamin Franklin. He was more than just a printer. He was a statesman, inventor, the most famous world person during his time.
Let's go.